everyone, I'm thinking of doing a quick clean in the living room. I would like to wash the covers because I have light colored couches, and if you have light colored couches and kids, it's a bad combo. You have to make sure that they can be washed. So my intention was to have light colored couches that can be washed. So I'm going to take the covers out and put them in the laundry, step 1, and then we can clean the rest of the living room. Actually, step 1 is opening your door so that you can let in some fresh air, or your windows if you like. I find fresh air is the best air freshener. I was so excited to finally wash my covers. This was very exciting. Just unzipping, I was like, zip, zips, unzip. I can't wait to get you to the washing machine. It was at this point I discovered something was up with my couch. In as much as I was excited, this couch can't be washed. I wish I had read the instructions before. Little one is like, can I have the snacks? Mom is like, eat all you want because I'm stressed. I was so excited to wash the covers. It was very exciting, except the beige couch. I could not wash the covers because it says on the label, which I didn't read, it said on the label that it had to be done professionally, but the white covers could be washed, so I washed those instead. With the beige couch, I decided to vacuum thoroughly, and it was in pretty good condition. It didn't have any marks or anything because I always cover my couches with throws, and I wash the throws regularly. So if there's a spill, if one of my kids touches the couches with oil or dirt or whatever it may be, I wash the throw instead of the couch. So it's a good idea to put throws on your couches. If you can, if you've got little children, it helps to keep them nice and clean. So I usually do that. I usually try to find throws that are decorative, that look nice. Decided to clean the back of my couch. It was very messy. All I had to do is put things where they belong, and I did that. And I had cleaned my pillows previously. I had washed them, so I was just vacuuming them to remove the dust. And yeah, I wanted to talk to you guys about this little basket that I have. I love this little basket. I put random things that don't belong in the living room, and then at the end of the night, or if I'm cleaning, after I clean, I return things where they belong. It helps me instead of going in and out of the room, and then it's good like that. And then another exciting thing I've been wanting to do for the longest time is reorganize the living room, remove this cupboard that is in this corner and put it in another room. So I don't have a lot of light in my living room, but this window brings in a certain amount of light which I wanted to enjoy. So I decided to take my books to another room, to a spare room. So I was thinking to myself, let me just do it. If I'm going to clean the living room, let me just do it now while the baby is sleeping. So I decided to do that. It was a big job, and while I was doing it, I was thinking to myself, maybe I should just declutter everything. I looked at some things that I didn't need, some books that I had read, or some that I thought I could actually donate. But then I thought that would be another project that I'll do at another time. I'll probably make a video decluttering my paperwork, and all of you guys can see that too. So yeah, that was successful. It was a big job though. I have a lot of books. Okay, so after I finished doing what I was doing by putting all the books to the spare room, packing them up, I thought I was so happy that I started dancing while I was cleaning. Yeah. There was a lot of dust underneath the couch. I hadn't cleaned in a while, so dance again because it's looking good. Baby's up. So I decided to put baby in the carrier and went on cleaning. And now that I was mostly done with cleaning my living room, I decided to empty my little basket and then dust, vacuum. After all this, I did mop too, except I didn't film the mopping. And once I was completely done, I thought I should dance again. So now that the bookcase is gone, I put the books that I'm currently reading or that I read often onto a little stool that I can easily reach when I'm sitting in the living room. So that's nice and cute. So I still get to get my light and my books. And yeah, that's really good. And I like how it's looking. The flowers on the table are from my neighbor. She gave it to me and it smells so good. That rose, a single rose, I can't believe a single rose can smell that good, but it does. Yeah. I really like this family here. It's just my husband, myself, Elijah, and Olivia-Grace. A friend of mine got this one as a gift when I had Elijah, and I really like it. It's one of those knickknacks that I'll keep in my living room for a long time. I've gotten rid of a lot of little knickknacks because they gather dust, but that one is a cute one. It's staying. This is Olivia-Grace's favorite place in the living room. She plays here when I'm reading my Bible or if I'm doing other things, feeding her brother. She likes to play in this corner. I like to have a play corner in every room so that Olivia-Grace can entertain herself while I'm busy doing other things. And I think that's a great idea if you want your kids to be self-entertaining. When I'm doing my YouTube videos, when I'm editing, I also have a doll's house in the office where she sits down and enjoys herself. Oh yeah, that's just a jar that I used. It had tomato sauce in it. I used it, pasta sauce actually, and I used it to just put the flowers from my neighbor. It looks pretty good. I also had an idea. I thought maybe in future I can print out vessels and just put them on bottles, jam bottles, reuse the bottles and probably just use them for decorations like that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your support. And if you're a new subscriber, if you've currently just subscribed, thank you for your subscription. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe and give this video a like if you liked it. And if you have any more suggestions, please comment in the comments below if you want to see certain types of videos. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.